Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by washing your hands and working in bright, dust-free light so particles won't trap under the protector. Once ready, turn off the iPhone 16 Pro Max and remove its case to give yourself full access. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the glass, dry with the microfiber cloth, then lift any remaining specks with the dust sticker. Now place the protector over the camera notch without peeling fully. Line up edges visually so the first contact is perfectly centered. Once the protector is positioned, peel back 1 to 2 centimeters of the backing and grip by the edges so you don't leave oils. Make contact at the top edge or camera cutout first, using alignment tabs or guide stickers if included. This locks the position. Slowly lower the rest of the protector, letting adhesive meet glass naturally. Press the center gently, then run a squeegee or credit card wrapped in cloth outward in straight strokes, which forces air out and creates a clean seal. After full placement, press firmly across the entire protector to ensure even adhesion. Use the squeegee to push remaining bubbles toward the edge. Inspect under bright light. If a tiny dust particle is visible, lift the nearest corner gently and use tape to pick the particle off before resealing. Do this only if necessary. Make sure to wait 1 to 2 hours before putting the case back or stressing edges so adhesive cures. If misaligned or badly contaminated, reapply with a new protector for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.